We will be looking at equations that are in slope-intercept form in this lesson. So slope-intercept form you're probably familiar with, but it's this equation right here that is y equals mx plus b. M stands for the slope, and so that gives you a hint about which direction the line goes. And B is the y-intercept, or where it crosses the y-axis. So if we're dealing with a graph right here, and let's say that this is our line, just a reminder that this point right here is called the y-intercept, or the B in the equation. Okay? So first of all we're going to do is we're going to just take what I gave you and write them in slope-intercept form. And again, every time we do this, we are using this equation, y equals mx plus b. So all you need to do is plug the numbers in. Here I'm telling you to plug 2 in for m and 4 in for b. That's all you have to do. So y equals 2x plus 4. Okay? On the next one, I will plug in -1/2 for m and -3 for b, so it will look like this. In the next one, I will plug in -1/4 for x, and for m, I'm sorry, and 5 for b. On the next one, y equals, you would plug 0 in for x, so it would look like that, and then minus your y-intercept, but it is not like mathematically polite to write 0x, so I would actually want you to write this equation as y equals -2. Okay, now remember that when your slope is 0, it's a special kind of a line, okay? And lines that have slope of 0, remember, are horizontal lines, okay? So I'll just kind of keep doing that for you. Notice a horizontal line goes y equals some number, okay? The next one, the slope is undefined. I don't have a number that I can put in for n, or for m, sorry, and I don't have an x-intercept. So let's think about what this would look like. An undefined slope, we've talked about how if you have an undefined slope, that means you have a vertical line, and if it never crosses the y-axis, let's say this is your coordinate plane here. If it never crosses the y-axis, it has to be parallel to the y-axis. So it has to look like that. We've talked in previous lessons that when you have a vertical line, remember, your x remains constant, but your y can change. So for instance, this point right here, let's say, is 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay, this point, let's say, right here is 3, 2. Let's say this point right here is 3, -3, and it can go on and on and on and on. Notice it's your x's that are staying constant, okay? Your x's are staying constant at 3, your y's can change. This is a vertical line, and vertical lines have the equation x equals, and I didn't give you a number to pick from here, and so I'm just going to say any number, okay, because I didn't give you one to pick. But when my slope is undefined, you need to recognize that you have a vertical line and that it always has the equation x equals something, okay? And that's it.